Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your device model and the OS build, because fixes differ by firmware and driver sets. Once done, prepare a recovery USB or installation media so you can repair without risking data. Back up any accessible files first. Make sure you note the exact safe mode message and any error code, and check whether safe mode is minimal or networking. This determines which services are suppressed and which fixes will work. You now perform targeted diagnostics. Boot into safe mode and open Event Viewer to spot failing services, then check Device Manager for driver conflicts. Run sfc/scano to repair system files, and use DISM to fix the component store if SFC reports issues. Next, uninstall any recent drivers or updates that coincide with the fault and disable suspect startup items via msconfig or Task Manager. This isolates the culprit. Finish by rebooting into normal mode and verifying that everything works. Re-enable services and startup items one at a time so you can spot regressions. If problems persist, roll back using system restore to a known good point or perform an in-place repair from installation media to preserve apps and settings. As a last resort, do a clean install. Make sure you have driver installers and backups ready. Troubleshooting tip. If repairs fail, test hardware RAM, SSD, because intermittent hardware faults often mimic safe mode posting issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.